Now, if you see, we have like mm, I can. Okay, so we have j.html, which has nothing inside at the moment. Now, what we will do is
Mhm.
we'll try to talk about these input boxes, these types of input. So, we have like input uh,
Type.
type, very good. And we talk about the type is text, right? Uh,
Right.
we know that, right? So type is equal to text. What else we have? ID.
Uh, we
Mhm.
can do type an
ID,
ID.
ID is equal to A. And this one, when we talk about the forms, when we talk about the form, we will talk about the name as well. Okay, this is very important. So, we need to have a name as well. So it could be same as ID. Okay, so
Okay.
we must have to have name as well this time. Why we need the name? Because we are working in the form, and form mostly work with the name.
Name.
So let's see if I can just run this part. So you can see that. So we have like this one, huh? So we can click on that and we can type whatever I want to. Now, uh, we have a label command. Do you know that?
I think no. I think I was absent that day. I think.
In the label, we have for is equal to label for what? Label for A. You got my point? For this ID, you understand? Label is
What does label do?
I will tell you. Label is for
A.
each ID. Okay. Now,
Mhm.
what I'm gonna say is, for example, I say enter name. Enter your name. Is that okay? And
Yes.
and then I close my label. I close my label because so this label is for A. What is the A? A is this one. And this
Right.
all my stuff. Now, if you refresh the page, now you see that. Now,
Yes.
if I click on this label, if I click here, anything happen here in this one? I
You can just type if you press there.
You see here, I click here, nothing happen, right? But if I click on the name, you see that it goes
Mhm.
inside.
Ah.
You got the point? I click here,
Yes.
it's inside. So this
Yes. Because you. Mhm. Because
this
you connected
I connect
with
here,
the same ID with
yes.
name.
So anything you do, and secondly, the person who are yani, who cannot see clearly, so they will have some extra space, to click. Even if they click here, it will go inside, and he can type
Okay.
or something like that. So this is something nice. Then we will talk about what is other thing we have. Okay, we have a reset and we have a password. So now if you see, we have a label. So I can I say label again for another?
Yes. Yes.
I don't have to say for the reset, but I don't have to say. So I can just say I have a reset button. ID is equal to R. Name is equal to R reset. The type is reset, huh? The type is reset.
Reset.
And then we have a type is submit. ID is equal to S and name is equal to S. Okay. Now, if I go back and I click on that, can you see that?
Yes.
So we have like a reset button. So for example, if I type Tariq Aziz and I want to reset, I can click on that. It will clear all the fields.
Mm-hmm.
So, and if I click on the submit, it will go to the form. If I say this, it will go to the form and it will come back inside. Now, basically, when you click on the submit, it will go to the form. You see the form here?
Yes.
Now, if I say in this form, if I say, hey, form, you have to do some action. And what is the action? Go to a.html. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
What is the action? A
Go to HTML.
HTML. And do we have
Mm.
any HTML? If we don't have, we can create one. So I can create one. I can say a.html. And I say, okay, I say paragraph. Hello, I am in a.html. Okay, and paragraph
Mm-hmm.
goes. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. And then I can close my paragraph. So now, if you see here, I refresh the page, I say Tariq, and if I submit, it will go to the, you see that?
That's yes.
It will go to the next page. So submit will take me, submit button will take me to the action, to the form, and in the action. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
So this is another task for the um, submit. And we do have another one. The type is password. Did you talk about the type is equal password?
No, but I think I can predict what does it
Yeah.
do.
What it will
Maybe if you write inside it, it won't show you what
predict.
did you write.
The type is password. So if I say P and if I say name is P as well. So what else we can see? I can go back. I can refresh. You see that we have a password as well. So I can say Tariq has a password, something like
Mm.
that. You see?
Ah.
So, but there is another thing. If I click on submit, okay, you will see
Mm-hmm.
you will see that the A name has a value Tariq. You see that?
Yes, yes.
E has a value IUOU. This is my password.
Uh-huh.
And S is equal to submit. So anything you type on the form, it comes up in this search term. And you can see all the information here. Okay. Why you can
Yes.
see all the method? Because we have two types of method. One is method is equal to get. Okay. Method is
Okay.
this method will display the data in this string. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And we have another method which is post. I will show you this one. Now at the moment we are having get. Okay. Tariq and password is 12345. And I say submit. Now, can you see that? Name is Tariq and password is 12345.
Yes.
This is visible because the method is
Get.
get. And we have another method that is post. So I go back and I refresh and I say, okay, my name is Tariq and the password is 12345 6. I submit. What happens?
No, no password, no username
The post is
or
always
name.
going to hide the information. Okay.
Mm. Yes.
Imagine if you type the password and you press submit, the whole password is available on the screen. Anybody can see.
Right. Right.
So in this way, we are having a second method that is post. It does not display the information on the URL. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is what we are going to talk about. Um,
Tomorrow.
we do have some other, for example, the field set. Okay. Um, if I put this information, I have This is set of field, huh? So we have a field set, field set, what we say, this is a field set. And I say, okay, the field set is closed, okay? And
Mhm.
it will display nothing because field set is not going to display anything. Oh, field set, sorry, it has a column, it has a line. Did you see the field set?
Yeah, but I didn't understand what does it do
The
exactly.
the field set is going to give you a border line. See the border line?
Yes.
This is because of the field set.
By what? Why is the buttons down?
Because they are outside the field set.
Ah, okay, okay.
Now, one more time. Did you see any line, any border?
No, no, no.
No. What I can do is I can group the field into the field set. Is that okay? So if you see,
Yes.
it comes up like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Mm-hmm.
I say, okay, this is one paragraph, and this is my another. This paragraph is closed, huh? And this is my other paragraph, and my paragraph is closed. Now, if you see, we have something like that. You see, this whole screen is like that. Now, interesting part is I want to give a heading to this group, and that heading I can give with a legend.
Oh,
Okay, and I can say personal login data, but I can say login data. Okay, so can you see the login data here?
yes.
So that comes in the
Actually.
in the border. So
Mm.
this is how I can play around with the field set and legend. Similarly, we have a text area. Okay, this is another interesting part. So mumkin I can say after the field set, I can say, okay, I have a text area, and I can close my text area. Now, if you see this part, I refresh. Did you see the text area here?
Yes.
I can type multiple line, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I can type multiple lines. So this is my text area. I can even specify the size, the width, or something like that. Um,
Okay.
so I can say, okay, this text area, um, row is equal to 10, columns is equal to 2050. Is that okay? Let's
Yes.
see. Okay, columns is equal to 50. A row, it
Yes.
didn't. So maybe I made a row, it should be rows, something like that.
Maybe.
Is it?
Right.
So rows
Mm.
10. So you can have this kind of stuff. You can
Okay.
also
So,
you can also put it into the label, you know, and
mm-hmm.
if you are putting in a label, you have to give an ID. ID is T text, something like that. Label close. And if you are writing a label, then give them a label for what?
Uh, for T.
Yeah. So feedback, write your feedback here. So if I refresh, you see the right type feedback here. I click on even there, I click here, doesn't matter. It is it is coming here.
Okay.
So so it is like that. I can put them into a paragraph, so it will be in one line above. It will be one line above the. Now you see that?
Yes.
So yeah, this is tomorrow. Uh,
Okay. Easy. Easy, inshallah.
inshallah. Is there anything else? There is another one. For example, if you see the select, we have a drop down list. Okay. So in this part, I can say this is my select. I have many values which I can select. I can say select, select, close. And in the select, I have like options. You remember that we have options like UL and LI.
Can you repeat? Because
In the
I didn't.
navigation, we are using LI and UL and order list and unorder list.
Yes, yes, yes.
You remember that?
Yes.
In this one, we have a select and we have options. Huh?
Okay.
So if you see that, if we have like this one, if I just go and refresh, can you see the January here?
Mhm. Yes, yes.
February, March. So this is the drop-down list. You can pick a value from one other value from here. And this is also we will talk about. Um, oh, this is another interesting part. You know, we have an input type. What is the input type? This is a submit button, right? Uh,
Yes.
we can also have input type is equal to image. Okay, type is equal to image, for example. Close. We have to give a source. Source is equal to what? Do we have an image here? Okay, we have an image, this one, right?
Yes. Yes.
Right, so I can say source is equal to, oh, sorry, where is the source is equal to this picture. Okay, let's go and see. And this picture is like a submit button. This picture is like a submit button. Do you see that? It goes to the next page.
Ah,
This picture is like a submit button. Either you click on the submit button or you click on the picture. Same thing, huh? Now, picture is too big. Can we make a size?
yes. What?
Well, I don't
do you
know.
think?
I didn't try here. Red 16?
Okay. I think it's possible.
Well, I don't know. I don't have to lie. I don't know. I never tried that. Oh, yeah, it is working. Okay.
Okay.
So I can say 26, 46, 50, 50, 50.
Okay.
So let's try like that. So you click, it goes to the next page. This is one picture. What else is there? Reset, submit image. Okay, this is done. That's it. Oh, we do have another one that is a file. Maybe if you see here, if I say my before I can say input type is equal to file. Okay, and I saved it. Now, if I refresh this one, did you see the file here?
Yes.
You can you can choose the file, huh?
Uh, okay. Then what?
And then whatever you want to do. So you have chosen
Oh,
the next is upload the file, delete the file, whatever you want to do the file. But
okay.
this will help you in selecting the file.
Okay. Okay.
The input type is equal to file. We can make use of some other, that is it. File. We do have a radio button. We have a radio button, for example, you can input type. Oh, I can put them into the paragraph. That will be easy for me. All right. Paragraph, and then I paid and I paragraph. Now, if you see here in the radio, it will display me these selection.
Okay.
I can okay. I can write name after that. I can say vacation. The value vacation, I can say vacation. I can say celebration. I can say after that, I can say celebration. And what is that? Special event? I can say special event like that. Did you see that?
Yes.
But in this way, you can pick one of them. You cannot pick all of them.
Okay. I think there is a command
Why,
that
why it is
will
possible? Because
allow.
no, because all of have same name. You see that? Okay, name is equal to.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. Okay.
if you give name same, then it will pick one of them.
Right.
Yeah. So if you want now, if you see that no, but nothing is checked. Okay, there's nothing checkbox. But if you say okay,
Okay.
first one always checked, huh? First one. So you can cite checked here. Input you can say checked. And when you refresh now, first is already checked automatically.
Okay.
So yeah. So tomorrow, inshallah, we'll talk about these things.
Inshallah.
Okay. I was
Mhm.
expecting that you will ask me for the previous lecture, but you are asking me for the next lecture, huh? So you are the only.
Because
Yeah.
yeah, because I don't tomorrow I have to study a lot, so I have to study now so I can rest tomorrow.
Okay.
Mm.
Uh,
Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Teacher, one one last thing.
Yes, my dear.
What about the project? I think uh, we uh, we already almost decided who we want to be with in the project.
What did you have to do with your group? You cannot
Huh?
you cannot break the group for them.
That's why I'm asking. I know that it's this question wouldn't do anything, but I'm just asking if it's possible some way.
Like you have no choice that
Yeah, yeah,
that you will be born in which house, huh?
yeah,
Who
yeah.
will be
That's
your
right.
brother, who will be your sister? So you have no choice, my dear, today in this.
That's right. Okay.
Okay. I wish you
Yeah.
best of luck. My prayers are with you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.